How's it going, everyone? My name is Paul McGovern Jr. and today we're going to unbox the DJI RS4 Pro. Now this is a stabilizer gimbal that I've been really excited to check out. I've really honestly been excited to dive into it because the one that I've been having the last few years is this really good gimbal that still works really well for me, the Xeon Weebill S. This is a gimbal that I've had for about 3 or 4 years now. Really has come through with a lot of different events that I've filmed, a lot of sketches, shorts. And I've just been looking to upgrade for a while, and I was actually on the DJI RS3 Pro, and when I went to the store, Sammy's camera is right down here on Fairfax in Los Angeles, California, where I reside right now. When I went to go check that out, they didn't have any more of the RS3 in stock, but they had the brand new RS4 Pro in stock that I didn't even know was out. And then when I went there, they were like, hey, it's out, why don't you just get this one? It's like $100 more or $200 more. I said, Sammy, it wasn't really the Sammy, but for the story. I said, Sammy, give it to Papa P. That's what I said, give it to Papa P. And then he gave it to me, and then now I'm gonna use this. I have a wedding I'm filming next month that I'm really excited to shoot. And I'm gonna use it for shorts, sketches, just, nice, beautiful videography that maybe I'll just take around. Definitely gonna do a video after this to demonstrate how I use it, how to stabilize it, the different cameras I can put on it. But right now, just gonna dive into the unboxing of this beautiful, brand new DJI RS4 Pro. And can't wait to see what's inside, can't wait to show you guys what's inside. You can obviously tell it is a brand new gift I got for myself. It's still got the plastic around it. And I think they ship it to the Sammy's cameras with the plastic on. So folks, let's see what's inside. Gonna Hulk it. Plastic smells fresh. When you open these new boxes, it always feels right. Like anytime you get anything from Apple or Mac, it's like the packaging's always so well made. And this DJI is, the same thing. It's a nice, smooth, white box. You know that it's clean looking. Tells you everything it's gonna get in the box on the side. You're gonna get the gimbal, you're gonna get the extended grip, you're gonna get the BG30 grip. And everything else, bunch of cords, all that good stuff. We're gonna find out right now. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Ooh. One might even say it's orgasmic to open a box. Hey, get your minds out of the gutter. You too, camera woman. Ooh. Brand new box right there. You can tell this was not returned. Got the plastic wrap around the actual case itself. Love that. Love the protection aspect of that. In case there's any issues with it, you never know if you need to return it. Keep that. Love that it's a case. So the case is really sturdy. It honestly feels very durable. The material is like, what would you call that material? It's like vinyl?
Sturdy.
It's like sturdy vinyl material. It's got the DJI Pro. So it has the embroidery on there. Anytime your case has an embroidery, you did the right purchase right there, guys. Open it up. Got this foam covering. Got the gimbal itself. Not that I won't use this Weebill as often, but hey, when you got the big boys in the living room, the JV's got to kick it. But it's still a good gimbal. Got the cases. So I think this is it looks like. Let's see what's in this first pouch. Got an instruction manual. Always key to have that. What's this? We got the gimbal itself. Huge, huge. Again, I have not used the DJI 3, so it might be a little bit of a learning curve for me. But this looks not too far off than what the Xeon was, the Weeble. It's got the same kind of base. It probably has an attachable arm right here. Gotta stabilize the, oh yeah, here's the arm. Yeah, got my, I'll play with it a little bit, but let's see. Put this to the side for right now. Anything else over here? No, not quite. Set this up. Here's probably the arm. Let's see what this is. This is the briefcase handle. We got, this is the little base of it. Just like in the battery. Let's see. It's locked right there. I don't really quite know what the briefcase handle is gonna do, but I'm gonna learn more about that. So it's in this one. Got the base plate, love that. Then we got, that seems to be the legs, kind of how the legs of the Xeon it has. Oh, this is a beast. This is a nice sturdy one. I think I want to flip this sucker around. Yeah. All right, got the briefcase handle. So this is our gimbal right here, guys. So I think I got everything attached, besides of course the camera, which the base plate would go, you know, somewhere right here, obviously. The only thing I'm missing is the wires, but the wires are got the wires here. The different charging ports, the cables. So I think I got everything out of the case. But as you can see, it's a really nice case. It's a really nice gimbal. It's gonna get you the manual right here, which I'm gonna dive in more into this gimbal, but as you can see, I mean, if anybody's comparing it to the Xeon 3, it's quite the beast more than the Xeon Weeble 3. I mean, similar, I mean, it's a gimbal at the end of the day, so similar features, but overall, this thing looks like a monster, and I can't wait to use it. Can't wait to play around with it. That's what you get with this Ronin brand, the DJI RS 4 Pro. Super excited. This is the unboxing of a beautiful gimbal that I can't wait to use. I can't wait to put my Sony a7S III on it, maybe my Sony a7 IV, and you know, all the cameras in the future, because this thing has a payload of a lot. It could hold me, maybe. We'll have to try it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, if you are watching this video, that means you either have bought the DJI 4 RS Pro or you're looking into it. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna be learning about this thing myself over the next few weeks and playing around with it. And I definitely will have a video to follow up on this soon to kind of show you how I've used it, what I've learned about it, and all the above. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and comment. And let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, or opinions on this product. But the link below is there to check it out. So if you're interested in buying this yourself, check out that link. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay tuned for the next video. Week. Rachel, get on the Ronin.
Run and reload it.
Cool, that's good.